Let's make the best gluten-free chocolate chip cookies. You'll need 2 cups of rolled oats, which will blend to create an oat flour, 2 ripe bananas, 1/3 cup of peanut butter, or you can use any nut or seed butter that you prefer, 1/4 cup of maple syrup, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, 3 tablespoons of water, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds, and 1/3 cup of chocolate chips. You'll also need a mixing bowl, a baking sheet, and I like to use a silicone baking mat, a potato masher, a spatula, and a small ice cream scoop, which helps to create even-sized cookies. If you do not have an ice cream scoop, you can use a spoon. You'll also need a cooling rack. Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you'll blend your oats in a high-speed blender to create an oat flour. Then peel and add both bananas to your bowl and mash together. Mash the bananas until you've created a smooth consistency. Then add the maple syrup, peanut butter, vanilla extract, water, and mix together. Next, add your salt, ground flax seeds, and cinnamon, and mix together. Add your oat flour and mix together one last time. Then fold in your chocolate chips. This recipe calls for 1/3 cup of chocolate chips, but I say to measure chocolate with your heart, so feel free to add more chocolate chips if you like. With your ice cream scoop, add an even amount of batter onto your baking mat. I love that these cookies are gluten-free as well as dairy-free, egg-free, and vegan. They are packed with protein, fiber, and wholesome ingredients in addition to being so incredibly delicious. Then bake the cookies in the oven for 15 minutes. Transfer to a cooling rack and let cool for a few minutes before enjoying. This recipe makes about 12 to 14 cookies and can be stored in the fridge for up to 5 days or in the freezer for up to 3 months. These cookies are so delicious. I love them, my husband loves them, my kids love them, and I hope you will too. You can view and print the recipe from my blog, healthygrocerygirl.com, and if you make these cookies, I'd love to see. Make sure to tag me on Instagram at healthygrocerygirl. Thanks so much for watching and subscribing to my channel. Happy cookie making, and I'll see you in the next video.